कार्येषु सर्वदा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Today I am going to say the thought of the day. The thought of the day is, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. I repeat my thought, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kumar Chintak Behera. I am from grade 3B. The word of the day is courage. It is spelled as C-O-U-R-A-G-E. It is a noun. Its meaning is the ability to do something that frightens us. Its synonyms are fearlessness and bravery. Its antonyms are cowardice and humility. It can be used in sentence as the soldiers are fighting for their country with great courage. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Morning everyone. My name is Arnav Raut. I study in grade 3A. Today I am going to speak few lines on health is wealth. Health is the most important aspect in our life. There is nothing more important than health. When we are healthy, we can laugh, smile, enjoy and eat well. We should exercise regularly and follow a balanced diet to stay healthy. A healthy body keeps our mind and soul happy and calm. Money does not make a person happy, but a good health does. Lastly, I would like to say that health is the real wealth, not gold or money. Thank you.
Show and tell. Good morning everyone. I am Prisha Sethi from grade 3B. Today I am going to talk about single-use plastic. This is a plastic polythene bag. This polythene bag is called single-use plastic. This is made up of harmful chemical polyethylene. Polyethylene is not only bad for our environment but also toxic to human beings and animals Large number of domestic animals are dying because of eating these plastics along with garbage food. These plastics are source of land and water pollution. We should not use these plastics and think for alternative ways to save our earth. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Morning everyone, I am Rishita Sao. I study in grade 3B. Today I am going to tell some amazing facts. Number 1. India has a floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar. Number 2. Jail cricket ground in Jail, Himachal Pradesh is the highest in the world. Number 3. The Indian national Kabaddi team has won all the World Cups. Number 4. Water on the moon was discovered by India. Number 5. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you. Have a nice day.